Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a probability question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us one morning, Samuel, as one does, conducted a survey in his residential area to establish how many passengers, excluding the driver, travel in a car. The results are shown in the table below. So they've said to us the number of passengers excluding the driver. So there'd be no passengers, so that's just a car being driven by the driver. Then one passenger, 2 passengers, 3 passengers, and 4 passengers. And the number of cars he saw were 7, 11, 6, 5, and 1 for each of those numbers of passengers. They've said to us, calculate the probability that, excluding the driver, there are more than 2 passengers in the car. So that will limit us to this point over here. So as you can see, we've got 3 passengers and 4 passengers. So that's more than 2. And those are the only events that would filter into our probability calculation here. So to write this out, we're going to say the probability of there being more than 2 passengers. I'm just going to write out the full word. Okay. More than 2 passengers is equal to, so we've got 3 cars that had 5 cars that had 3 passengers. So that's going to be the 5 cars there. And we had 1 car that had 4 passengers. So that's going to be the 1 car over there. Then we've got how many cars in total did he calculate or did he observe? He saw 7 and then 11 and then 6 and then 5 and then 1. So that gives us 6 over 30. And if we want to simplify that further, it's going to be 1 over 5. We can also write it as 0,2. We can also write it as 20%. So 20% of the cars had more than 2 passengers in it. So that would be the probability, as if you chose a car at random, how many passengers would there be? It would be around 20%. Thank you so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the video that answers your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.